Hi everyone, I welcome you all in the new 3ds Max tutorial which is 28. So still the continuation of the material editor. So today we will learn let's say something a bit advanced, I mean something for the modifier actually. One modifier, there are several modifier is related with the material editor. So one modifier actually, this is very essential for 3D artist. So the thing is, let's say a cylinder. I will pick a cylinder. Okay, make a cylinder like this. Okay, and make it center and center. Okay, so now let's say I will apply a modifier. Okay, a modify apply the material. Okay, so let's say the radius is like 30 or 40. Okay, make it smooth. Then yes, then obviously function F4, see the to see the values and the wireframe, and okay, assign the modifier like this. Okay, so after the assigning, we can see the wireframe. You see the wireframe of the cylinder. So right now we have to apply the modifier, apply the texture, right? Let's say you go and you just apply, click on diffuse and then the bitmap, and okay, you go to the where the 3D assets, okay, texture asset. Okay, let's say we are going to apply this checker pattern too, right? When so this checker pattern, double click, and this checker pattern we have to click on. Okay, so what we have to do, we just click on this and assign material to the selection. The assign material to the selection, right? And just click and then show shaded material in the viewport. Click on that, click on that, and you will have this kind of thing. Okay, but this is not perfectly, this is not perfectly done. Okay, there is some difficulty, there is some problems. You can see here the top part, the bottom part, and this part. So how can you fix that? Okay, you must select your modifier and you go to the UVW map. You go for this one, UVW map. As soon as you click, you see suddenly there is a change. So you can see this modifier is asking for, how is your shape? Is it a cylinder shape or box shape or whatever shape? So this right now this one is plain selected. So you can, these are the like a presets. Okay, so you can select them and you can you can apply. So this is a cylinder, obviously cylinder. So I'll go for the cylinder. See, not matching, not matching, not matching. You go for box. You see, suddenly the cylinder is acting properly. So you go for box and you see. So even though this is a cylinder, but cylinder is not matching. So you go for cylinder, you go for box. Okay. Right now you can see these are the tiling values. These are the values. This is one by one by one. Okay, either you can do the you can change this value. So this is 2 by 2 by 2. See what happens, see what happens, the checker pattern is being small. So this is 1 by 1 by 1. Okay, This is maybe 0.5 by 0.5 by 0.5. Okay, but let's put it one by one by one. Okay, you can see suddenly the cylinder is mapped properly because of, you can see the box, see the box and the check. You can, what you can do, you can select the gizmo, and you can, can do that, can do that. If you go for, minimize, then the checker pattern is being small, but you can go for this, for this, see, something like that. So your let's imagine this is the texture side size, and this is the 3D object size. You must have a certain, this box, this gizmo box should be a little bit bigger, or you can adjust it manually by selecting it a little bit bigger than the actual 3D object. See, you have to, maintain some sort of level here. Let's say this. When you're satisfied, you just go for a editable poly, make it editable poly. See, so this what happens in the bottom part and the surrounding part and in the top part. These are, now it's looking right. You can see here. And let's say this is a box. Okay, this kind of, let's say I make a complex shape, kind of a complex, this this torus, or yeah, maybe a torus, maybe this torus, and maybe this tube, or tube. No, maybe I'll go for, yeah, something. Let's try on the speaker, maybe this two. Okay, let's say you apply this one. See what happens. It black. What happens? Not good, right? Not good. What you have to do, you select one, go for UVW mapping. UVW mapping. When you go for, and you just do these things. Okay, you see now box is not behaving properly. So yeah, this one is behaving properly, I think so. Okay, you can either satisfy on this one, or if to the box, let's play with the value. Let's say the play with the value. Oh, but you see, no, box is not a good match. This one, yes, maybe a cylinder will be a good match in this. See, but you know, okay, maybe for this one, yeah, maybe this one. Okay, maybe you can increase the value by 2. Okay, okay, 3. Okay, something like this. Let's say then in the thing, so this. When you are satisfied, then convert to editable poly, some sort of like this. Okay, yeah, then this one. this one, let's say yeah, go for this one. Okay, apply this for this, go for pw map, or go for this one here. Yeah, so it's just yeah, it's here, so you go for sphere one. Okay, the thing is, go for the gizmo, go for this one, and yeah, you can maybe you can do this, or this is it's one. Either you are satisfied. Okay, this is kind of a, yeah, kind of a box. Okay, okay, see, this is what actually you have to maintain the texture. Actually, the checker pattern is for seeing the texture is applying properly. So in the later video I will explain more about it. You will have a chance to show to see how the professional texture is applied. So now this is the basic part. Keep remember to directly by applying this one, you have to apply this modifier. This is a UVW modifier, and when you are satisfied, play with the texture settings and play, and please keep the texture in the same ratio, that the width is 1, height is 1, and length is 1. So the square texture is better. Don't take the rectangle texture, so it will, maybe the height is different, the width is different, then the texture will be mismatched. So my advice is take the texture like this, like a perfect square shape, like this. See, like this, that the width and height are all same, or like this. Okay, let's apply another texture. What I did actually, maybe you cannot see better. Maybe what we can do is, maybe we can change the texture to see what I did. Let's say the bitmap, let's say this sci-fi text. Okay, apply this one. Yes, you see now what is happening. You see now this is a sci-fi. You see what I did. So this is sort of it's not perfect, but it's showing its character. So sci-fi ball, like a sci-fi cylinder, it's like sci-fi cube from the bottom, from this part. And you see, this is what I'm trying to tell you. Actually, the checker pattern is for matching the textures, but when you apply the actual texture, it will give you different results. So yeah, so guys, this is actually the ending of this video. I will come in next video. So thank you very much. Stay connected with me, and keep sharing the video with your friends, and keep learning. Thank you very much.